guys, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Arjun Kokunda, and today we will be learning about improper fractions and mixed numbers. Today our objective will be understanding how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction and converting an improper fraction into a mixed number. So, what is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number that has a whole number part and a fraction part. So an example of this would be 2.5. So like this. And why? Because we have a whole number, like it says in the what is a mixed number part. So, and we also have a fraction. It also says that in the definition. So now, what is an improper fraction? An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. So 7/5 could be an example, because the numerator, 7, is greater than the denominator, 5. So now I'm going to show you how to convert it. So convert the following into a mixed number. So we have an improper fraction right here, 7/5. So now we are going to convert this into a mixed number. And how do we do that? Well, I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. So for the first way, we're going to need a box or a rectangle or an array, whatever you want to call it. So let's go ahead and draw an array. And now we are going to divide this into 5 equal parts. So sorry about that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's shade 7 of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But we only shaded 5. So what we are going to do now is we will draw 2 more on top of this and then shade those, 1 and 2. So how do you find out an answer to a problem like this? Well, it's easy. So we got one whole right here. So one whole. So we write 1 over here. And then, so normally we would have 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. We would have 5 sections in this array. But we only shaded 2. So what does that do for us? Well, what we do now is we will take the 1 from here and write it right there. And we know that we shaded 2 over here. So we're going to write 2 there. And then the total is 5. So 2/5. So that's how we find the answer. We have 5 in this. That's why I wrote 5 as the denominator. So we have 1, 2/5. So now let's do our second problem. This time, we're going to use a different method. So our problem is 6/4, and we need to convert it into a mixed number. So first, let's divide it. So we're going to do 6 divided by 4. So we know that 4 times 1 is 4. Now if we subtract it, we get a 2 as our remainder. So what we do is we're simply going to bring this 1 here, and the 2 will be our numerator, and our 4 will be our denominator. But we're not done yet. Why? Because this can be simplified. 2/4 can be simplified. So the answer is 1, Well, this is also the right answer, but you always need to simplify it if it can be simplified. So 2 over 4. Think of a number that 2 and 4 both divide by. So 2, let's go with 2. So let's divide, and we get 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Can it be reduced? So no, because the only common factor for both of these would be 1. So this would be our answer, 1.5. Now, let's convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. So we have 3/1/4. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw 4 circles. Why? Because our whole number is 3, and then we have another 1/4. So let's draw 4 circles. So now we have 4 circles. We are going to divide them into 4 sections each, because that's our denominator. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Now we're going to shade 3 of them completely. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if we shade 3 circles completely, we have 12 sections completely shaded. Now we have to shade one more section, not circle, because that's our numerator. So let's do that. And that would be our 13th section that is shaded. So now we will bring our numerator, which would be 13. Why? Because we have 13 shaded sections. And our denominator, like I said when we did the last section about converting an improper fraction into a mixed number, always stays the same. So our denominator, 4, will be 4 here too. This is our answer, 13 over 4. And you always need to remember that you need to reduce your fraction. But this time, we can't reduce it. So that's it, we're done. Another way of doing this is you can use fraction strips. So let's say this is 1 whole. So let's draw 3 of those, 1, 2, and 3. And then let's draw 1 more, because that would be our 1/4. So we know that this is 1, 1, and 1. And we have a quarter right here. So we are going to remove this so we can use the rectangles or the boxes. So we will separate them into 4 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now we will shade them. So we have 1 right here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 shaded ones. So obviously that would be our numerator, like we had here, and then our denominator would be the same, 4. This is another way of doing these kind of problems. Now I'm going to show you one more problem. convert the following into an improper fraction again. So now, what we'll do is this time we're going to do it in a more mathematical way. So let's write it a bit bigger. So we have 5 2/5. Now what we will do is we are going to multiply 5 and 5. So this is what you do. So we multiply 5 and 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So let's write 25 right here, small. And then we will add 2. So like this. And then 25 plus 2 equals 27. So that's our numerator. Our numerator would be 27. And our denominator would be the same, 5. Now we need to see if we can reduce it. Do 27 and 5 have any factors in common? No. So that means our answer is already completely simplified. So this is our answer, 27 over 5. Did this video help you out? If it did, please like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.